Hi, I just want to do a follow-up to the Cards Against Humanity card game. I did an unboxing video and I did a full playthrough with this one. This is the UK edition. Yeah, I did the unboxing and showed all the cards. It was a really fun game. A lot of the stuff was pretty horrible, but that is the game. This is the UK edition, so if you're not familiar with a lot of the UK terms, UK news and stuff like politics, religion, whatever, all that stuff, you may not get this, and some slang and terms and stuff like that. This is for 17 plus. Playtime, we definitely played about an hour. Players, we had 6 players. It was pretty good. I recommend the more people you have, the more interesting it would get. So pros, it's a really fun game. Definitely something to play with close friends, or maybe friends that you weren't close with before. You probably get to know them a lot better. It's really fun. Highly recommend it. Some cons. So the big con for me, okay, let's go over the small things. There are different editions. With the UK edition, some of the things we did not get, and might have been better to have like explanations underneath the cards. Maybe like this is just a card, but maybe if they had a description, because there's so much space within the card. What I want to bring up with these cards is some typos. So this one, it has a typo. This should be no, K-N-O-W, but it's K-O-N-W. So if this is mass produced, like, this is a pretty horrible spelling mistake. What's this one? Yeah, I noticed with some of the cards there are double spacings, which is quite annoying. It's not that bad, but for the money that you pay, you hope that you get like a really professional card game. Here we go again with the double space. I don't know, were they supposed to put in a sterling sign there maybe? I have no idea. This one is missing a space, which is another typo. another one here, missing a space. This one has a double space here. Oh, this one has a spelling mistake. This should be tiny with an N, not an M. So it should be Tiny, tiny raincoat. That's pretty horrible spelling mistake. And oh yeah, it supplied just one blank. I presume you use these to write up your own ones or maybe fix ones that are kind of strange. But if you can let me know in the comment section what this blank card is used for, that would be great. I noticed that there was inconsistencies with some of the cards, so I'll bring out. It showed up mostly on the black cards. So if you notice, if I put these black ones here, some of them are kind of off gray. Don't know if you can see that, but this one is black, this one's the off gray, this one's black, and this one is black. I'm not sure if this shows up properly, but I noticed that a lot of the cards, they were kind of not the same color, so I was wondering if that's a manufacturing issue. But other than that, it's a really fun game to play. Definitely want to play with your friends, probably a good drinking game. Yeah, if you have any comments or suggestions, leave them in the comment section down below. Please like and subscribe to this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.